and you might have a few broken toes to show for it. Enter the sturdy work boot. Lace on a pair and the chances are your feet will survive even the most hazardous of building sites. Work boots are made from leather which has undergone a tanning and waterproofing treatment. The hide is put through a shaver. It evens up the leather and opens its pores before it receives further treatment. The hides are then put back into the re-tanning drum, where water, colouring products as well as the re-tanning solutions treat the hides at temperatures between 32 and 60 degrees centigrade. The hides are removed and the leather vacuum dried for 2 minutes at a temperature of 70 degrees. Then the hide will be hung for 24 to 48 hours. The hides are then stretched on a vacuum drying plate and evened out to get rid of any creases. These pieces of leather measure almost 2 square meters, with 0.4 square meters needed to make a boot. Now the cutting can begin. This punch, with the help of a press, cuts the different pieces of leather. They also cut brown fabric pieces, the interior lining of the boot, made from a foam base and woven polyester fibres. This paring machine thins the edges before they're sewn. During the cutting, each piece of leather is identified by its size. They now begin to assemble the boot. The 2 sides are sewn together. Now the front of the boot is assembled. Excess leather is progressively cut away. The eyelets, made of steel, brass or aluminium, are then positioned. Here they attach a foot mount on a form with tacks. The last, or mount, is placed in the boot to facilitate the assembly of the front part. This carding machine removes any unevenness at the level of the lining before proceeding to the next step. They now install the tempered steel toe cap. The lining is pulled and the cap inserted and fixed in place. The leather is folded beneath the boot, the bottom secured with a tack and the sides fastened with hot glue on this seat and side lasting machine. The boot front is now finished. At this stage, the mould installed earlier on is removed. Now the sole is installed. The heel core is made of pine and secured onto the sole. Here they proceed with machining and welding the rubber sole of the boot tip. It's called vulcanization, done at a temperature of 165 degrees. And the sole is solidly installed. This machine sands the edges of the sole to eliminate any vulcanization residue. A sealant is then applied. They now place an inner sole inside the boot. The finishing touches are the laces and stitching of the labels. The boots now leave for the packaging area. Building a pair of boots required no less than 123 different fabrication steps, including packaging. Each pair needs 101 meters of nylon, cotton and polyester threads, and close to a square meter of thick and rugged leather. But your feet are worth it.